Hey everybody, Tony from GenRight Off-Road, and this is our brand new Stage 1 JK Elite. It allows anybody who's got a JK already lifted 2, 3, 4 inches to leave the springs and shocks that they already have. Assuming you've got a Rubicon and Dana 44s underneath it, it's the perfect candidate for our Stage 1 kit. Our Stage 1 kit comes with 2 brand new cross members, a flat belly skid plate, a gas tank, brand new brackets for the axles, high steer, including knuckles, and this entire thing will get you into the first stage of our JK Elite. You can then progress down the road into coilovers if you want, bigger axles if you want, and ultimately into our full JK Elite.